Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of GrabPay, a super convenient mobile wallet platform that lets you go cashless across Southeast Asia. But with all that digital cash building up, you might be wondering, how do I actually turn it into, well, cash? Cashing out your GrabPay, unveiling the options. GrabPay offers a few different ways to convert your digital funds into physical bills you can hold in your hand. Let's explore each method and see which one suits you best. ATM withdrawals. With GrabPay card, if you've got a GrabPay card linked to your account, you're in luck. This physical card allows you to withdraw cash directly from ATMs that display the MasterCard or Visa logo, depending on your card type. There might be associated fees, so be sure to check GrabPay's current rates before heading to the ATM. Partner cash outlets, 7-Eleven, M-Kios craving a Slurpee and some cash? Look no further than your friendly neighborhood 7-Eleven or M-Kios. These partner outlets allow you to withdraw GrabPay funds right over the counter. Again, fees might apply, so check the GrabPay app for details. Bank transfers. Got a bank account? You can initiate a transfer from your GrabPay wallet to your linked bank account. Processing times might vary depending on your bank, but it's a convenient way to move your funds. Keep an eye out for any transfer fees that might be involved. Choosing the right cash-out method, consider these factors. Fees. Compare the fees associated with each method to maximize your cash return. Convenience. How quickly do you need the cash? ATM withdrawals might be the fastest option, while bank transfers might take a bit longer. Accessibility. Do you have a GrabPay card or live near a partner cash outlet? Choose the method that best fits your situation. Bonus tip. Keep an eye out for promotions. GrabPay sometimes offers deals on cash withdrawals or bank transfers. You might be able to snag a fee-free transaction during these events. Remember, always ensure you're cashing out at a trusted partner outlet or ATM. Be cautious of unauthorized individuals offering cash-out services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay cashless and convenient with GrabPay.